Here, bud. Pull right here. Pull right there. Keep pulling. Good job. Pull over here. Hey. Pull over here. Look, right here. Okay, we'll move to this one next time. Here, pull. Pull right there. There you go. Cool. Good job. What is it? Keep going. You can't play with it till you see what it is. Pull it. Pull the paper.
He's ready to play with it before he even gets it unwrapped.
Whoa! Get some more. Get the paper. There we go. Pull it from here. Keep pulling, Wimpy. Whoa, good job. What is that? Yeah, you see him? You see it? Yeah.
It's a toy for your bath, baby.
Pull this one. Pull on this one. Yay! Pull some more. Right here. He's like, no, I want to go back to the other one.
He needs help.
No, he wants that one. Okay, you play with that just a second, Bubba. Here, pull this one. That's why I wanted to do this one first. Push the button. Good job. Can you pull the paper? Okay, here. Let me see this one. Alrighty, here we go. Yay! Pull this one. Pull the paper.
He's getting impatient.
Look here. He'll play with a few sheets of paper on him, yeah? What is that? It's in the way. That's what it is. Bubba, what is this? Oh, look at there!
Bub, look!
Your Tennessee jersey! Yay!
You're gonna look just like Dada.
Look, Bubba, Tennessee jersey. Look. They taking me, my papa.